Huizhou Yeming Electronic Company Limited was established in 2012. Around 80 staff and 2,510 square meters, combines the designing, researching, manufacturing, and exporting with service of the automotive, marine accessories products, such as car charger, LED lights, switch, cables, and electronics products assemblies. We are specialized in OEM and ODM business. 7 production lines and automatic testing equipment in our workshop. The capacity is 3,000 to 5,000 units for each production line. Customer first is our core business philosophy. Keep improving to help customers get the profit from the business is our target. In the past years, we have got a lot of famous customer supports. We believe that the quality is the soul for a company. Every new item would be passed test very strictly before launch mass production, such as drop test, high-lower temperature test, bending test, vibration test, life test, salt spray test, and all the mass production goods would be tested in 100% function test and aging test before shipment. We have got high-tech approval, ISO 9001, E-Mark, CE, FCC, ROHS, REACH certification. Most of our products got patent certification. We will keep developing new items every year. If you have any new idea, please feel free to contact with us. We will make it be a very nice product. Looking forward to establish long-term business relationship with you.